This is the strap clamp pin female, which is used to insert the pin male into to hold the strap clamp hinge and strap clamp body together, allowing it to have rotation of the hinge. This was first created the same way as the strap clamp male by having a base extrude of a circle of 1 diameter, 1 centimeters, and then extruded by 0.5 centimeters. After this extrude, another extrude was made at the center of the previous circle with the diameter of 0.65 centimeters. This is then extruded by 4 centimeters. After that extrude was conducted, another sketch was made of a circle diameter of 0.55 in the center of the previous of the second extruded circle. This circle was then cut into 4 centimeters all the way to the beginning first extrude. Lastly, the fillet was placed on the left side of the pin, which the fillet is 0.5 centimeters. This concludes the pin.